Okay, got a strange one. Got a light here that something's definitely wired wrong, as the light switch is controlling this outlet and the other room and not turning on. And if you leave the switch on, then you'll have power there, but as soon as you turn off the switch, it goes out. So you need to get into that. This one, the light fixture is just turned out.
The switch is just supposed to control this closet light, but it's definitely something's wired
There
wrong.
we go. You see. So anyway, that light switch, something's up. So it should only be the light switch being controlled. So we're going to see if we can figure this out. And then I believe I have another problem. These, I'm going to try switching these. Think it would matter? Find out. Okay, on this one I reversed these. That did not get it. So it's not that. What it is this is most likely not the, this is most likely our incoming hot, and it should be piggied with these. And then the wire going to here should be to another deal. You're gonna have to figure that out. It's gonna be tricky. Okay, on this deal, one of these wires is our incoming hot, and we don't know which one yet, but we do know that this one won't. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is take these neutrals, disconnect those, and twist those together really good, because we're going to need to use that to be able to measure for hot.
Fortunately, there's no furniture in the way. These types of problems can be very tricky when there's furniture everywhere.
And then I'm going to take this one, first we're going to identify what's our hot, and we're also going to try to identify which one is our light. So once we identify those, that'll just make this easy, in theory. So, because then we can feed the bottom part of the outlet to whatever is the hot. Okay. In theory, that'll make that easy. We'll see. Okay.
Okay, and there was a reason why this one was throwing me for a loop, which I'm about to show. So I showed a different problem in another video where I was getting 120 on the neutral, and that's what was happening here, so I had to fix that problem first before I could identify the wiring properly here.
Okay, here's another weird one. from the neutral to ground. I have 120. Very strange. Alright, I'm going to pull this next outlet. Take a peek in there. Okay, I found it. Look at, someone wired the hots and the neutrals wrong. So both neutrals should be on the left side, both hots should be on the right side, and they've got the neutrals on the bottom and the hots on the top. So there's our problem. Alright. Okay, problem number 2. We need to identify what is our incoming hot.
Now that problem number 1 is squared away.
So we're just going to go to neutral.
And could have done this test
and go to each of these.
To ground also, hot to ground.
Okay. Nothing, nothing, nothing. There it is right there. There's our incoming hot. So now we need to know, and none of these are hot. So we just need to know which one goes to the light. And the other one feeds over to the outlet over there. So all I can do is take one wire, touch it to the hot, because all the switch does is make and break the connection. Okay, and now this one will be tied in to that one, and this one will go to the top of the switch, and we're done. And we'll cap off the bottom one.
Neutrals.
Yay! Okay, turned off the power, makes it safer. So this is our incoming hot. So I'm going to straighten this out. And it's going to connect to this one along with the pigtail. Pigtail is just another piece of wire that goes here. So this is going to be pigtailed together right here. And that's bringing power to the bottom of the outlet. And then this one will go to the top of the outlet.
Top of the switch.
Should be pretty easy. As long as things cooperate. This is easier with a bigger pair of pliers, but it can be done with this. It's just a little trickier. We rotate these together. See, we're just wrapping them together, and the wire nut will finish off the job. But then being wrapped together increases the surface contact area. Wire nut will hold them together. And I do believe we've got our problem solved, as long as, yep, the top. And this one I'm going to sidewire. Because again, if the quick plug was used before, it will have lost its integrity a little bit. And that's, I think, where side wires get it, or quick wires get a bad rap. And sometimes you do have just cheap outlets, so.
Or switches.
But they're kind of a use it once and don't use it again kind of thing, in my opinion. Okay, before I get too far and put it all back together, we're going to verify everything does what we want it to do. Okay, power. Okay, we've got 120 with the power off. Power no longer affects it. We are back to normal, how it should be. So, problem solved, 2 problems solved. And this one, again, can verify. This is on the switch, it's turned on. 120. Turn it off. Bam. Done. All fixed. Yay. Problem solved.